Hello everyone, have you come across any videos about Elden Ring? Almost all my friends are talking about this amazing game. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use VideoProc Vlogger to give your footage a retro look, just like Elden Ring. Okay, let's get our tutorial started. Double-click to open up VideoProc Vlogger. Hit this button to start a new project. Then we click on here and import the original footage. Let's preview and observe the footage. We may find some similar elements between our footage and the graphic of Elden Ring. But apparently, we need to make some adjustments as well. For example, the footage looks kind of reddish. We want to decrease the red tone and add a little more blue and green. We can also find the plants look too greenish and lush. We want to make some adjustments to the hue of the green. In addition, the contrast of the picture is not sharp enough. Okay, now let's start our edits. Drag the footage onto the timeline track. Hit this button to enter the color editor panel. As we've analyzed, firstly, we want to set a color temperature to cold. Herein, let's drag this slider to the far right. The graphic of Elden Ring looks greenish, so here we need to shift the slider of tint to the right a little bit. Move the slider to around 27 would be okay. Then we bring down the exposure a little to add some dark touch. We also need to tweak the contrast and saturation a little bit. Bring up the highlights. Here, let's drag the slider to the far right to better emphasize the contrast between light and dark. And then we bring down the shadows slightly for making the plants and buildings feel more desolation. Increase the whites a little bit to get a brighter sky. Like what we did for shadows, here let's reduce the blacks a little bit. Next, let's come over to HSL. Herein, we can make adjustments for specific colors. In the first place, let's bring up the saturation of the orange color range a little bit. Then we add some luminance. After that, let's tweak the green colors, which takes a big part of the footage. Drag the hue slider to the left a little bit. And then we bring down the luminance until the footage looks like this. As for sign color, let's shift the hue slider towards the left a little bit. And then we reduce some saturation. Decrease the luminance as well to around -7. After that, we get to the purple color, boost the saturation a little bit. Okay, the footage now get a dark look, but the highlights area isn't bright enough, as we already dragged the slider of highlights to the far right. Keep changing the exposure or shadows, like this. It impacts the entire footage. This won't bring us desired outcome. To fix this, we can use 3D Luts. For example, here we can use Low Light 4. Take a simple click to apply it to our footage. We can find the brightness of the footage get enhanced in the way we want, but the loss effect is too strong, so here let's decrease the intensity of LUT and set the intensity to around 50%. Well, we just finished all the changes we should make. Hit apply to apply them to the video. Alright, I believe you've mastered how to color grade like Elden Ring. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in our next tutorial. Hope you enjoy. Bye.